In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best free resources to make money online and from home. And look, let's be absolutely open and honest here. Many people try and fail to make money online. I did myself for a number of years. Why do we fail at making money online? Well, there's two things. The first thing is a lot of people have something called a lack of consistency and effort. They'll try something for a couple of weeks and it doesn't work for them, so they move on to the next thing, which is called the shiny object syndrome. And I see so many people doing this. And look, I'm not judging because I have spent thousands of dollars on crappy courses and lots more when it comes to making money online. We see these products being released on platforms like Warrior Plus every single week. These push buttons, done for you systems, just click a button and you earn all of this money. It's utter crap, to be honest with you. But look, when it comes to making money online, it isn't difficult. It genuinely isn't. All we need to do is just stay consistent in our efforts and basically learn and implement. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share with you a couple of free resources that you can use to make money online and from home. I'll also drop a link below for you to this blog article over here. There's lots of resources in here for free with affiliate marketing, and we're not just going to be talking about affiliate marketing today, but this is just one option for you. So let's jump into the different options for you when it comes to making money online. Now, the first resource I want to share with you is this one over here, and this is absolutely free. This is called the Affiliate Bootcamp. Now let me go ahead and show you this. So we'll come over here. So I'm actually inside of this. So basically, what is this affiliate bootcamp? Well, let me come down here and I just want to open this up and show you this, because believe it or not, you can actually get taught by people who are earning 6 and 7 figures a month with affiliate marketing. Now this here, it's a course which is run and hosted by ClickFunnels. Now this on the screen here is a guy called Russell Brunson. Now you can see on here, he went to his top affiliates over on ClickFunnels and he said, look, if you had to feed your family with nothing but your affiliate commissions and you only had 100 days to do so, how would you turn this into your full-time career? And basically, a lot of the top affiliates responded to Russell and they did interviews, and basically that is what this free course here is all about. If I scroll down here, you can see these are some of the people who share with you in this course, how they would make money online starting from scratch, from zero to X amount of money in 100 days. Now, scroll further on the page here, look, step 1, what would you do? Step 2, what would you do? Step, etc. But basically, this course here, come further on the page, you can see these are all of the super affiliates, and basically they show you everything. So you've got some huge names on here. You've got Steve Larson, we've got Rachel Penderson. Scroll further on the page here, we've got Jacob Crenson, Meekum, and many more, Billy J, etc. Now these people here, these are all huge affiliates, and they're not just huge affiliates when it comes to click thing inside of their online business. They show you the sales pages, they show you the websites, they show you how they're driving traffic to this, and lots more. So if I scroll down here, look, you can go through this and check all of this out. But basically, you click on here to register, you give them your name and your email, or you can do this via Facebook Messenger, and then you get access to the Affiliate Bootcamp. Now in here, you can see along the top, this is it. So on day 1, when you give them your name and email, you get access to this. So we've got now playing this here, the first step, Affiliate Bootcamp first step. Then we've got Affiliate Bootcamp day 1. So if I just open up day 1 to show you what it looks like. Scroll down here, look, my simple 5-step plan to turn an affiliate hobby into a full-time career. This is exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch today as an affiliate marketer. So come down here, look, it's just under half an hour. Now, what I like about this course here, you see at the bottom, day 1 will expire soon. Now, you've got 2 days, 5 hours, and currently 25 minutes to go ahead, watch this video, and more importantly, not only watch this, but implement what you taught here and take action. Because after this timer goes down to 0, then guess what happens? This day 1 video here disappears and you're then moving on to day 2. And it's the same concept. You've got 40 hours on this video, then you're into day 3. Now previously it was only 24 hours, and to be fair, it was a bit hard to do everything in 24 hours, but now you're getting 2 days and you're going through and you're learning from, you're not just learning from random people who are just starting out making money online. These are people who are established on, whether it's on ClickFunnels or YouTube or TikTok or wherever, and they basically lay out absolutely everything for you and it's free. I mean, I don't know of any other platform whereby you can learn from 6 and 7 figure earners for free. I mean, with Legendary Marketer, you can do, but you pay like $1,500 over on this affiliate bootcamp. It's free. And it's awesome content as well. It genuinely is. So that is resource number 1 for you. And look, I'll also drop a link to this blog article below. You can go ahead and check out many more. The second one I'm going to share with you, still focusing on affiliate marketing, is my own course, which is not this one, not this one. Is it this one? Yeah, this one over here. And again, this course here, it's my own course. Let me just go ahead and show you. It's this one over here, sorry. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is a course which I still actually sell this, but basically this here, it goes through pretty much everything you need to know when it comes to making money online. Scroll down here, look, you can see we've got getting started, so we go through our niche selection, then we look at finding a product to promote. I've got a spreadsheet on here, we've got examples, and look, there's lots of content inside of here, and it's absolutely free, but basically this will walk you through the whole concept of everything you need to know. So by the end of this course here, you'll have it all outlined, and you'll know exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do. It's pretty good. It's my own course. So that is affiliate, the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. The other resource I want to share with you is, let me just come back over to here. Scroll down. I'm not gonna mention this one today, but you can check that out in the blog article. Sorry. So come down here. This is another resource. Now let me click on here for you and open this up. Now this is over on a platform called GetResponse, but on here you can see, look, how to build an email list from scratch. 9 list building steps to follow in 2021. Sorry, and an infographic. Come down here, look, get the free guide, make it, and basically it's absolutely free, and it walks you through this whole process of building an email list. And look, email lists and affiliate marketing, they work together incredibly well. So literally go ahead and check it out. It's free. All it will take is some time and effort on your behalf. All of this, what I'm sharing with you today, that's all it will take is time and some effort and consistency. And look, do yourself a favor, stop, jumping from product or, idea, and literally decide on something, stick with it, and you'll be pretty surprised at the results that you can generate using what you'll learn, especially over on these 3 different platforms. The other resource I'm going to share with you is this over here, and it's called SkillShare. Now, there's a free version and there is a premium version. However, on the free version, if I just type up here, let me just type in free classes. I'll put this on here for you. Free classes, look at this, 3,935 results, which are all free. So obviously you don't just want to scroll through all these looking for something that you're interested in. But if I come down here on the left hand side, you can go into the beginner classes. You can go into, I was actually looking for, if they've got, let me come down here, let's just go into, let's just say for argument's sake you wanted to learn about YouTube. So we'll go over here, we'll type in YouTube and click on enter. And I'm going to type on here, I'm going to type in free YouTube. And look, we've got 534 results, and they're all free. So in terms of this here, you can come over onto Skillshare and learn about, look, this one over here, Crush YouTube Branding. Come further on the page, and literally, this search filter here, it's not the best, but the courses and the content is free. So you can go ahead and find courses on here, related to, if you want to do YouTube, if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to do, drop shipping, etc., etc. You can use Skillshare. Another platform that you can use is this one over here. It's called Udemy. And again, come over to Udemy and you can learn anything on here. And again, just type in free classes. And there's thousands on here. Look, 10,000 results for free classes over on this platform here. Now they have on this one here, look, topic. So look, personal finance, entrepreneurship. So let me just click on here and it's going to go for us now. And look on here, look, coding for entrepreneurs. This is absolutely free. Look, it's a 3.5 hour course and it's free. It will, if that's of interest for you, there's lots of ways that you can make money online with coding. Come further on the page here, look, what's this one here? What the heck is that? Solopreneurship 101 free mini course. If you want to check that out, you can go and check this out as well. Come further on the page, and then we'll just go over to number 2. But look, if you're genuinely serious about making money online and from home, literally pick something, stick to it, and go ahead and take the free resources. The ones that I've shared with you today, we've looked at this one over here, the affiliate bootcamp. I've shared with you my own affiliate bootcamp, my own affiliate academy. This one over here, we've looked at SkillShare. We've also looked at Get Response over here, and we've just briefly looked at Udemy. Somewhere over here, yes, over here. So we've looked at this, but look, the whole point behind today's video is, look, if you're genuinely interested in making money online, the resources are out there for you. They're free. It will just take time and effort on your behalf. So look, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments, let me know down below. But look, I'll drop a link to my blog article and everything that we've mentioned today. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.